think we have near the close of the session, and may I invite Shri Anil Swarupji for the closing remarks and summarizing the discussions and the way forward for us.
You got the wrong man to summarize, actually. I felt enriched by what was spoken today. As I said, I look forward to these discussions to learn. And I may have some point of view, but such occasions are there to learn, and I'm so extremely thankful to the entire team of here for having invited me here. I think what we have to look forward to is understanding the processes in India. Because there is ICT. I mean, I have no doubt about the capability of ICT, but the question is the ground reality as it exists. And that is non-technical in nature, and hence there should be a partnership between those that are there in the ground and those that are technologists. And if you don't understand the ground reality, probably we'll be going in the wrong direction. So first, I think, take from this discussion is understanding ground realities as they stand. The second point was so well made by the last speaker here. I'm so glad it didn't come up before that. We should not create these islands, these oases, which are not connected. You don't talk to each other. And I must give you an example here. We've done a little bit in RSBY, but I didn't expect the biggest health insurance company in the US to send a 5-member delegation to understand what we were doing in India. I was quite aghast. So they asked me, I told them, yes, we are learning, we are doing small things. No, but you tell me, how did you manage to create a national platform where your card works anywhere in the country? The data can be transferred from this hospital to that hospital to this insurance to that. How do you do that? Because they are struggling with it. In the US, every state has its own technology frame and they can't talk to each other. And you made a very pertinent point when you said data from one hospital cannot go there. So this takes me to the third point, and very aptly made, that if we don't evolve standard operating procedures, if we don't evolve standard guidelines countrywide, technology will be disastrous. And one reason why RSBY seems to be happening is that if you go to our website, almost every procedure is defined. Roles of every actor and player is defined. We are learning, we are changing it as we are learning. But as of now, if you go, what the district manager has to do, what the field officer has to do, what the enrollment team has to do, what the hospital has to do, there's a hospital manual, there is a FQ manual, there's a DKM manual. If you organize a workshop, there's a manual for that as well. Everything is defined. Unless you do that for a scenario, we will run into serious problems. So the point number 3 that I take from here is, we must work very hard, as you rightly put it, for creating these standard operating procedures. Technology comes thereafter. What technology, how people ask me, if you talk about these processes and procedures, where is technology coming? I said, technology has forced me to think logically. Because if I am not logical, technology will not accept. Because computer doesn't understand illogical things. They understand only logics. I don't understand computer at all, but I know this much, that if I am not logical, if I am not precise, if I am not to the point, if I don't define, technology doesn't help. So you'll find individual solutions in individual places, and what my friend said, one will not be talking to the other. So this is the third take that I take from this workshop here, this roundtable workshop, that we have to focus on defining the roles, and thereafter the point number 4 comes is, set up a regulatory mechanism so as to ensure that those regulations, those definitions, those roles are performed by those that have to perform. The problem in this country is everyone wants to do everything. So no one does anything. It's like public property is everybody's property is nobody's. So when you throw a stone at the bus, you feel it's somebody else's property. As if Angrezi abhi raaj kar rahe hain, unki bus tod raha hu. It's funny. We are hitting ourselves, we don't even realize we hit the stone. Why? Because I don't understand my role. And I don't blame them, because we don't understand our roles. Those people sitting here. So you keep treading onto somebody else's foot. Why should you? If roles are so very clearly defined. I would request you, because I look forward to feedback from you, because I want people to criticize RSBY. I want them to look at it with a microscope. See what is going wrong in this country. Love it. Because that's the only way to improve it. So please, my request to you is, please go to our website, rsbby.gov.in, and please tell us where are those guidelines going wrong, where there are procedures, because we revel in it. We believe that keep defining, keep defining, keep refining, keep defining. And once you do that, ICT comes in. And it really helps us. Today, when I tell people that during the course of the day, if I don't travel once a week or twice a week to one state or the other, I don't have anything to do here. People don't believe it. You're running this new scheme. I said, during the day, there are a couple of hours I don't know what to do. So I write papers. And a bureaucrat writing a paper now on this scheme because I don't have anything else to do. And this happened because we slogged very hard to create those procedures. Now the only job we have is to keep improving upon them. And I do another funny thing. I don't do anything which other chap can do better than me. And I believe most of the people can do better than me, so I don't do anything. So I delegate everything. They do that. I give them an environment. The technologist is happy. My people are happy. Everyone is happy, and it works good. Thank you very much.
I think it was a great summary and key takeaway. I think what Dr. Surya Kumar has said, if one hospital can transmit his data to another hospital without any errors, you would have actually defined a standard of transfer of data, standard of EMR, and from a local EMR you can take it to state EMR and to national EMR. And as we heard about an amazing example, great inputs from all of you. Thank you all, and we invite you for a dinner in the adjoining room, and we will carry our discussions there. Thank you so much.